Two Florida providers deliver the same tutoring session in the same week. One gets paid in about 6 days, the other waits up to 60. Same program, same platform. The only difference is which payment path they chose with StepUpForStudents. Let's make sure you're the first provider. Choose the fast lane, direct pay. You send an itemized invoice, the family approves it against their scholarship balance, and StepUp reviews and deposits. Approved direct pay invoices typically fund in 5 to 7 business days. The family is never out of pocket, so approvals come quickly. Reimbursement is the slow lane. The family pays you first, then submits your paperwork to claim the money back. Those reviews can take up to 60 days. Worse, if the request is held for missing documentation, the review clock restarts from 0. Set the odds in your favor. Offer direct pay wherever the program allows it. Itemize every line with the service date and the educational subject. Put your first and last name on every invoice. StepUp requires it, and handwritten documents are denied. And remember, each spending category carries its own required fields, so match the paperwork to the category before anyone submits. Fast payment isn't luck. It's a clean invoice on the fast path. The free generator at GetESAPaid.com builds StepUp compliant invoices with every field in place. The rejection checker flags what would bounce before you send it. Links below.